search pin scale from Amazon. 41 on Amazon right now, and if you click the coupon button there, $43, additional 5% coupon code right on the website, right on the Amazon page. So you got the additional 5% off. So you're looking at under $40. So let's unbox this. Again, it's called Search Pin, P-E-A-N, Search Pin Tiny 2S Coffee Scale. What a name, Search Pin. Okay, once you open it, comes with a manual. All right. Charging cable, USB-C. Pretty much everybody uses USB-C now. Pretty small form factor. Okay, cover with the protector cover. Let's remove that. Okay. Wow, that is a tiny, aren't they? Yeah, they're right about tiny. This is tiny there. On and up button. Okay, as you can see. Okay, over the rubber protector, right on the top. Ah, that's clever. Okay, it's protect the, yes, the switch there. Clever design. All right, tear it. That's the timer. Start. Stop. Hold down for a little bit. Okay. There's an automatic. ESP. Once you start detecting something, you are going to start the time. Yep. You see that? Starting time there. Yeah. Here we go. So again, but it comes to form factor, I mean, they're pretty nice though. They're small enough. Okay. I like the on and up button as well. Not bad. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if you have this scale at home. Yeah, I know someone say, someone loves this scale, but yeah. Very interesting scale. I like the fact that it's a smaller form factor. Good for any espresso machine, right into underneath, anywhere. Yeah. The price is right.